Hey everyone! Today we're going to be giving you 4 simple and easy ways to thicken your hair. 1. Olive oil. Warm olive oil is a great way to thicken your hair. Massage it into your scalp and hair and let it sit for 45 minutes. Make sure to rinse it out using shampoo when you're done. 2. Egg. Depending on your length of hair, beat either 1 or 2 eggs and apply them to a wet head. Let it sit for 30 minutes, and then wash it out with cold water. Too warm of water will cause it to cook in your hair. Before we get to tip number 3, if you're enjoying the video, take a second to smash the like button and subscribe. 3. Avocado. Mash 1 avocado, banana, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil all together. Apply it to your hair and scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with shampoo when you're done. Try any of these methods once a week for thick, luscious hair. Do you have any other tips? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our tips valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.